Okay, everything is ready to work on the tree. As you can see, the shader is not correct, so you need to select your trunk. This is the trunk. From here you need to direct the bark or branch material. Here we have a bark. The branch is same as the trunk. As you can see, the shader works well because our shader is tree creator from the next tree creator asset. As you can see, the tree looks good. Now you come from next tree creator textures folder, find your proper trunk. I want to use this trunk, normal map. Okay, now you can select your model and press the refresh key to update the material settings. As you can see, our trunk is now looks a trunk. Okay, now to work on the tree, you can select the tree in the scene to see the icons, or you can select your tree in your project file and work without icons. Select this, show the icons, don't show anything. Now we want to start working on the trunk. The trunk, here is the count, the trunk count. This is useful to create grass. We don't want to create grass, so we want to have one trunk. This is not important for the trunk. Skip everything from here. Skip. The only important thing is the length and the radius. Okay, the only important thing for the trunk is the length and the radius. Okay, another important thing is connect lines. This add noise to your trunk or branch. We don't want too much connect lines. Okay, from a radius, as you can see, you have a curve. For example, you want to use a solid trunk radius. You can select this and reduce the top of the trunk or down of the trunk. Okay, the good value is this one. Okay, nice. Everything looks good. For example, you want to work here. You can select this, double click here. As you can see, you can easily control the trunk radius. Okay, another important thing is nothing for now. If you want to work on the flare, increase the flare height. Start from here or here. Start from here. This is a good value. Here you can increase the noise, reduce the, you can control the how many noise unit for your trunk. This is a good value. Okay, nice. Everything now looks good for trunk.